Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit slow motion video on the smartphone. So at the first, now I'm going to open one of this video. Sorry, I have to go for the camera. And for example, let's pick up this slow motion video. So let's click here to play. And as you can see right now, it looks like that, right? So if you want to edit, you have to tap on the three dots in the right upper corner, then go for the editor. And right now we are able to change the slow motion. So you know, it starts very fast and then it goes slow, but we can change this slow motion moment by moving this slider. And as you can see right now, the whole video will be fast and it will be only slow right here, right? So we can make it very easy. You can move both sliders, the left and the right one, right? You can also change the length of the video. So if you want to finish after this moment, you can take this slider, click and hold and then move it, and the same from the left one. So right now it will look like that. And after that, we can save this video by tapping right here on the middle button. As you can see, it's saving, and after a few moments, we will get this video, this slow motion video, and right here we'll get this edited video. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!